Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use tickets on Fandango now. If you want to use the tickets on a Fandango but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Fandango app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Fandango app, and this is the home page of Fandango, where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now to use the tickets on Fandango tickets, then you just need to go on the option of my tickets or my orders, which is at the very bottom right. So click on it, and here you'll see the option of upcoming, history and all of it. So you just need to tap on the tickets on the upcoming section, and from there you just need to tap at tickets and a QR code or barcode will show up. So to use the tickets, you may simply show your phone to the ticket taker and they can scan the QR code. But if you want to print the home ticket, then you just need to print the ticket from your email, and you may simply bring it to the theater, and you may also pick up at theater. So you may simply use the confirmation code at the self-service office or the box office which you are going to, and you may simply use the tickets from the Fandango app. So if you have already purchased the ticket, then Fandango will email you a confirmation mail, and you just need to look for your movie ticket confirmation, which simply has a QR code or barcode, and you may simply scan it from your phone or you simply show it at the box office at the Fandango. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.